What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I think what I need to do is go through how to use Kucoin, right? Crypto exchanges sometimes can be very complex, and sometimes when people use them, they start to look at everything that's there and they're like, "What do I even do? What, like, how? How do I do this?" They don't know what even questions to ask, kind of like what I'm doing right here. So I wanted to kind of go through it at a basic level and give you guys an understanding of what you should be looking at if you are going to get into this platform. Um, I think it's a really easy to use platform once you get the hang of things. Once you do a couple of trades, you start to realize how easy it is, but also about how you could make a simple mistake within, trading and transferring and all of these other things. So I want to make sure you guys know what you should do at a basic level. Understand that this is a basic level, not going through everything there, just you getting started with KuCoin, what you should really focus on. And then after you practice these steps, we can continue to go into something maybe a little bit more advanced or something that's in the middle, right? Still basic level stuff, but just more than just like buying and selling and understanding that aspect of things. Because sometimes just buying and selling could be complex for the normal person checking out KuCoin because it's different than what you have in Coinbase or in trading in your wallet. Understanding the exchange can be very complex and you're like thrown back. So, anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification for more videos just like this one, that little bell down there. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links for Twitter, for Patreon, feel free to check those out. You guys can ask me questions directly if you guys have any questions about exchanges as well as investing and things of that nature. And another thing, if you guys want to sign up for KuCoin yourself, right? If you want to trade, XRP or, trade to stable coins or hold KuCoin's cryptocurrency or whatever you wanted to buy, right? There's a lot of things you can buy over there. Hit that referral link down below and sign up today. If you guys want to do it, it'll help me out being a referral link that's down there, and it'll help you out in having a new exchange as well as getting a referral bonus with that. So it's always a great situation. Feel free to hit up that link. And I do have other platforms if you guys want to use maybe something that's a little bit easier to use, like crypto.com or Coinbase, or even Webull, right? Which is a stock trading platform, but does offer crypto. But anyways, let's talk about KuCoin. Again, sometimes things can be very complex when you look at a platform here, because you look here and you're like, all right, I understand this. I can go into this header, go into buy crypto, markets, trade, derivatives, earn, NFT, wallet, right? The wallet is self-explanatory. It is your wallet. You go in there, click that, get into your wallet, and you'll see all the different things that are there. But then people start to get confused when they go over here. They're like, oh, wallet. And you have the main account, trading account, margin account, futures, trading bot, financial account. So instead of confusing yourself, worry about a couple of places. I think all you need to do is understand what your wallet consists of and what you need to do with those wallets, as well as understanding the actual trading portion of it. Then you can get into margin and, trading bots and, convert and all these other things that you want to, learn about after the fact. So what I recommend is to first understand how you're getting money into KuCoin, whether it's transferring from another platform, right? You can transfer other coins. If you have someone MetaMask, you can transfer directly to here. Or you can have a fast trade, right? So you can basically, have a credit card, a Visa, MasterCard, and be able to fund USDT and start trading with USDT. You can also go a third party that's there and figure that out, right? You can go through that, go through Apple Pay, everything that's happening there, a bank transfer. But the easiest method, obviously, is to go through that. I know a lot of people start with just a card just to get the first payment in or the first, amount in there in order to start trading, or they transfer for somewhere else. And that's really what you want to understand is this part here. But what you also need to understand is where, if you're transferring things in, where you're going to transfer it to. So again, I think you should really focus on two accounts here that are within your wallet. You should focus on the main account and the trading account and back and forth, right? So when you go into the main account here, if I go into my main account, it's going to show, that I have Lunic, I have whatever other positions. And if you wanted to deposit some, just type, let's say you wanted to deposit BUSD, right, from Binance Smart Chain, all you have to do is go over here and hit deposit, right? And once you hit deposit, it's going to take you to this stage. All you have to do is go to network, make sure you select the Binance Smart Chain network, unless it's Ethereum based, then you can get it on Ethereum. And you would copy this, and then over in MetaMask, you would just send it directly to this wallet address. Make sure that you test. Don't just send everything over all at once. Test with one little test there, and then you could send your BUSD over there. If you wanted to convert everything from MetaMask over to BUSD and then send all the BUSD over here and then, move whatever you want to move rather than making 700 different moves with whatever cryptocurrency you have, you can do that. So that's the easy way to deposit, and you can do it with any position that you do see here that you can send over. So XRP, Floki, USDT, Ethereum, whatever, you can do the same thing that's there. They're all different addresses if you are going to send it. But that's in your main account, right? So you're going to be sending it directly to your main account. But in order to trade cryptocurrency and swap back and forth and do everything that you want to do within an exchange, it's a lot more complex than just taking your money and buying some position. Right from the start with Kucoin, you're converting it to USDT in order to make these trades. So then once you make that trade, now you're going over to the trading account. So you want to transfer. So say if you do have Lunic or whatever, you have this, you would transfer from your main account to your trading account. Now I do keep some in my trading account. So if I go over to my trading account, I have XRP and Floki, and I usually keep BUSD over here if I'm looking to make any purchases. Now, once you have everything in your trading account, right? Now that's where you can start making trades. So if you go up to the top here and you go to trade, you're going to go into spot trading. This is where people start to get confused because they're like, what is this that I'm looking at? It's not as simple as just buying a position, right? It's a lot more difficult than just buying a position. But it's very simple, right? It seems like it's more difficult, but it's very simple to understand. When you do put a position here, if you're going to search for a position, right, you would go up here and you would type in whatever that position is. If you were looking to take your BUSD and convert it to USDT, because that's where primarily all of the trades are going to be through, you would take BUSD here, and it would go to USDT. And all you have to understand is that when you are buying it, you're buying BUSD, you're selling your USDT. When you're trying to sell your BUSD, or you're selling your BUSD here and you're buying USDT. So if you wanted to convert it to USDT, you would go over the opposite route. You're not buying new BUSD, you're buying more at USDT. So that's right behind my head. So let me show you guys again. So here, right down here, you have buy, you have sell. So it's going to basically explain that, and you have to make sure you understand what you are doing there. I like to go through markets because I really don't like to set limit orders. We don't really see much of a change with these anyways. So I usually go through market. And then what you would do is you would take 100% of your BUSD and you would sell that to get USDT. And then once you do that, now you have USDT in your wallet at which you can make any trade that you want out here. So if you wanted to buy XRP here, you can buy XRP to USDT once it does come up. So XRP to USDT, select that. And then what you would see here, again, buy XRP or sell XRP. Well, you want to buy XRP. You can either set a limit price by setting whatever you think the USDT price will be, the quantity of XRP that you're going to, get. And then you basically look at 100%. Obviously, I don't have any USDT that's here. So again, I like to use market orders because it's very simple, especially for beginning traders. You'll start to grasp how to use limit orders and all that stuff. But really, that's all you need to do is focus on those two, unless you're worried about day trading. If you're worried about day trading, then you need to worry about the order books and all of the different indicators that are here and the different movement that you can see within, a 5-minute, 10-minute chart, whatever you're looking at there. Which does come in handy if you're going to draw all of the things that you want to draw and come to a conclusion to make a day trade or a swing trade. It comes in handy with everything that you see there. But to make it simple on you, if you're looking to make simple trades, you're literally just typing in what you want to trade, and you're swapping it. You're exchanging it. That's what it's all about. So hopefully that's a simple way of looking at it. And I don't mean to confuse you in any way, but I know all of this of what we're looking at can be confusing. Just try and kind of you know, cancel out the noise that's there, which is the order books and, you know, the recent trades and the market depth and all that stuff. And, you know, only focus on those two areas to where it's what you're trying to get, what you're trying to buy and sell. If you do that, then that will really simplify things for you. To make these trades. So hopefully that helps you out. If you guys have any questions, I answer all questions over on Patreon. I try to answer questions in the comment section. Sometimes I don't know how much traction this video is going to get, but I just wanted to make a video for Kucoin itself. If you want to get into more advanced features, we can definitely do that as well. But I just wanted to do a basic level how to trade for beginners on this platform because it is a good platform to trade on. It's a good off ramp for some things. It's a good on ramp for things as well. So again, if we go back to KuCoin, I know that some people, you know, really want to get started with a position or get started with investing, and you could definitely do that here by just focusing on the main wallet, the trading wallet, and you know, just trying to get a hold on that stuff or get an understanding of that stuff that's there. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about it. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Again, my referral link for KuCoin is down below if you want to sign up and start using it today because it is a good platform. So yeah, I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.